Unlock the beat, exploring snare drumsticks. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're going to explore a very specific, yet intriguing topic: snare drumsticks. Whether you're a music enthusiast or curious about the nuances of English phrases, this video is crafted just for you. Let's unravel the mystery behind these words and understand why they're so essential in the world of music. At the very core, snare drumsticks are tools used by drummers to play the snare drum, an integral component of the percussion family in music. Unlike regular drumsticks, which can be used across various drums, snare drumsticks are specifically designed for the snare drum to produce its characteristic sharp, crisp sound. They come in different materials, sizes, and weights, each type tailored to create different sound dynamics and playing experiences. Before we delve deeper into the sticks themselves, let's understand the snare drum's significance. The snare drum holds a pivotal role in both orchestral and marching band settings. It's known for its distinctive snap, or crack, sound, which cuts through the ensemble to maintain rhythm and add texture to the music. This sound is produced by the drum's unique construction, including metal wires called snares, stretched across the bottom head. Choosing the right snare drumsticks is crucial for any drummer, as it significantly affects the sound and playing style. Factors to consider include material. Wood, like hickory or maple, is traditional, but synthetic options are available for different sounds and durability. Tip shape. The shape of the stick's tip, e.g., teardrop, acorn, or ball, influences the clarity and tone of the drum's voice. Size and weight. Heavier and thicker sticks provide more volume and durability, while lighter sticks offer greater control and subtlety in playing dynamics. Taking care of your snare drumsticks extends their life and ensures consistent sound quality. This includes regular inspection. Check for cracks, chips, or warping, which can affect performance. Proper storage. Keep them in a cool, dry place to prevent warping and damage. Rotation. Rotate your sticks regularly to ensure even wear and tear. And there you have it, a closer look into the world of snare drumsticks and their vital role in bringing the snare drum to life. Whether you're a budding musician or simply fascinated by the intricacies of musical instruments, understanding these tools can deepen your appreciation for the art of music. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject and sparked your interest in exploring more about music and its components. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Remember, every beat counts, and with the right snare drumsticks in hand, you're well on your way to creating rhythms that resonate.